Hi guys, my name is Felix and today we're having another YouTube video about strawberry cookie cakes. So first off, what we're gonna need is 2 boxes of strawberry cake. I used the good old Betty Crocker. You already know Betty.
Shut up, Sonny.
And then all we're gonna do is open it up and pour it inside a mixing bowl. After that, we're gonna get our lovely, expensive eggs and crack 4 of those rich babies inside that bowl. And then we're just gonna give it a little stir, and while we're stirring, add about 1 cup of vegetable oil. And then we're just gonna mix it some more. This takes about 2 or 3 minutes until you get a really nice cookie dough consistency. Consistency? Whatever. You know your dough is ready if you can roll out some nice looking cookie balls. After that, we're just gonna add 2 cups of white chocolate and fold it up.
Yummy.
We're then gonna set the dough aside and get started on the sugar mixture. All you're going to need is 1 bottle of pink sugar, and then you're going to add about 1/4 cup of regular sugar. Then you're just going to get a little mixy, and bam! Now let's get started on rolling out that dough. All I'm going to do is grab about 2 tablespoons of cookie dough and just roll it out to a ball. Sometimes you just got to give it a little. Then we're just going to roll it into that pink sugar. After that, we're going to set it on a tray and repeat. Alrighty guys, so for this next step, it is optional, but if you want extra white chocolate, just add some of that goodness right on top of those cookie dough balls. Again, you don't have to do this, but it actually makes the presentation look so much better. And also, if you want to make it extra
Fancy,
just drizzle some white melted chocolate on the cookies when they're done baking. Speaking of baking, you're going to want to put it in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes at 350 degrees. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you spread the love and have a good day. Peace.